performing scenes from the AC from the Warcast.
Will
By
you?
William Master Simone.
Nice selection. You got anything in a turtleneck?
No, they're Brenda's.
And the one you got on. That's Brenda's too?
No, this one's yours.
So, why does mine get to go with these? Brenda?
What?
You asked some other asshole for his?
No!
And what was this guy's name? Brenda?
Don't!
Was it true love?
Please don't!
This one? With the little reindeers and snowflakes? Was it meant to be?
Stop it!
Did this one die in the snow for you?
Stop it! Stop it!
You did be fucking
Killing the birds.
I always hit the fucking loomies.
They snapped like straws.
Fucking birds.
Wings flapping in the water.
Yo, what a fucking Jonah.
Mangled and bloody and broken in the water. And one with the eye open, making a baby sound. Eye open, making a baby sound. Its breast beating hard, 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 and then a little less hard, and then a little less hard, and then not so hard, and then not so hard, and then a little bit, and then a little bit. Very little. And soft. And very soft. And then nothing. The eyes soft, the feathers soft, the breast soft. Making a sound. A little sound. Soft.
Rose. Get off.
Look what they did! Look!
Rose, get
Animals! How could you punish them? You can't make the birds come
Rose,
alive again!
up.
I don't want to go there!
Sorry. I am so sorry. I've never hit a woman before except her once. I came home early and I caught them, but I'm sorry.
No needle.
What needle? I don't
I
have
don't want to
any-
sleep. I want to run out the street and scream and kill the birds and stop the birds and
Rose!
nobody cares. Nobody! So I have to care for everybody.
Hey.
And
Hey.
I called the zoo guard and I asked him where they buried the birds and he said they didn't bury them and I said, well, what did you do with them? He said they threw them in the garbage.
It's too bad.
Like coffee grinds and old beer cans and orange peels in the garbage.
It's all over with, Rose.
It's a little open.
Okay. Okay.
Toes curled like this.
Right.
Cold.
So what the fuck can I do about it?
Why couldn't they have buried them with a little stone flowers?
Sicko, jerked off, wacko fucking dippy bitch. I must have been flipped off my cord to come back to this.
4 rare, beautiful birds.
Rose, you still got 3 of them left in the world.
They killed the birds.
Rose, didn't you say there were 7 birds in the world?
They stoned the birds.
Didn't you say there were 7 fucking cranes in the world?
And threw them in the
For
garbage.
how much is 7 minus 4 dead birds, Einstein?
And I called the paper and I said, well, why did you put that in your paper? Well, they threw 4 rare, beautiful birds in the garbage. Why did you put that in your headline?
Hey, Hammerhead, you got crap in your ears or something? 7 birds minus 4 dead birds. How much?
They killed the birds.
How much, goddammit? How much?
I don't know.
How much?
I don't know.
7 minus 4! 7 minus 4!
3!
Right. 3.
3
what?
birds.
What kind of birds?
Cranes.
Dead cranes or alive cranes?
They killed the birds.
Dead or
I
alive?
threw them in
You
the
said
garbage.
that there was 7 and that they killed 4. That's 3 left. Dead or alive? Dead or alive?
Alive.
3 live birds. What's that mean?
I don't know.
What happens when you put a male with a female? saying you don't know.
Suppose there's 3 males.
Never happens.
Or 3 females.
86 champ. Birds hang out in mixed groups.
Well, suppose there's no offspring who die.
Well, then they call a taxidermist. Stuff them. Hang them next to dinosaur bones.
Dead.
No. Just standing still. Forever.